Welcome everyone to this class, and today we are going to talk about a little bit how you can download the Power BI desktop program so we can start building. Okay? So guys, something very important, the Power BI can only be run native on the Windows system. So if you are using a MacBook or anything in the iOS operational system, you will need to have a virtual machine on Windows and run Power BI on that. Okay? So, guys, there are two ways for you to download Power BI. The first and easiest way is on Microsoft Store. So, when you open your Microsoft Store, you can just write Power BI Desktop, and you will find it natively. So you can just click here, proceed to the default settings, and download the desktop. It's very simple. But if you wanna do it in another way, you can use the official Microsoft website where you are going to download straight from here. Okay? So guys, for you to download is very simple. You will just download here the Power BI desktop and let's start working.